Hi, this is lesson 3. I am Miss Longchamp with our student with a student named E. Hall. So today we're gonna read a text entitled "A New Language." E. Hall already has her words prepared from last class or the last couple of lessons, as well as for this lesson. The vocabulary words that we pulled from here are delicatessen,
mulling, immigrating, and quizzical.
Yes, delicatessen, mulling, immigrating, and quizzical. So before we go into the reading, what we have is a vocabulary strategy worksheet. I'm going to show you really quick. And basically what it is it's basically a vocabulary strategy worksheet to break down the words, the meaning. You have context clues. You also have signal words, punctuation, type of context clue, look for word parts, guessing what the word means, etc., etc. So we've done this with some of the words before. So today we're just going to do it with one of the words. And the word that we selected to do it is, which one? Immigrating. So we're doing immigrating. So the context sentence is basically how it is used in a sentence. So we're going to go ahead and fill it out. So context sentence, the word right here, you put the vocabulary word, immigrating. And then the context sentence, it says, Muhammad wondered if an American immigrating to Tunisia would feel the same way, wondering what to eat, how to ask for it, and even how to eat it, and if they would find that their academic French was not at all the same thing as French in real life. So, yes. So immigrating. So Muhammad wondered if an American immigrating to Tunisia would feel the same way. And you can put ... ellipses. All right. So we're trying to figure out what this word means, immigrating. Have you heard of this word before?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. In what context? Do you remember?
On the news.
Okay, on the news when we're referring to what?
Immigration.
Okay, maybe immigration. But immigration is spelled a little different, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, you noticed that, all right? So context clues. So what clues can pretty much give you in this sentence what this word means? Look at how it's used. Muhammad wondered if an American immigrating to Tunisia would feel the same way.
Wondering, like American.
Mm-hmm. American and what?
Tunisia.
And Tunisia. All right. So we know America and Tunisia are like two completely different what?
Places.
Yes, two completely different places. So context clues, you could put American immigrating to Tunisia. Okay. Now, signal words or punctuation. Signal words are words that pretty much give you ideas of what the actual vocabulary word is, or even punctuation. So for example, punctuation could be the parentheses. That gives you an example when it says comma and it says or and or but. So in this case, do you have anything that will give you a signal word that will tell you basically what the word means, or punctuation? You can continue to the next line too.
How to eat.
Okay.
Ask for, and even how to what to eat. how to ask for it, and even how to eat it.
Okay, all right. So go ahead and write that down. We're going to skip on the type of context clue, although you may be able to answer that right now, but we're going to skip over that. And we're going to go into the part where it says look for word part clues. And it says, can you break the word into parts? Can you break that word into parts? Immigrating?
Yes.
Yes, you can. All right. So what is the root word of this immigrating? Immigrating. What's the root word?
Immigrate.
All right, immigrate. All right, you can put immigrate.
In here.
Yes. So then it's asking you for the prefix and the suffix. So you put immigrate. All right. Is there a prefix or a suffix involved right now in immigrating?
Yes. Wait. No.
Okay. All right. So based on what you have so far, can you guess that the word means?
What do I think the word means?
Yes. Right here.
To move along.
To move along.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Go ahead and write that down. And then number 4, my meaning substituted in the original sentence. So, does your meaning make sense in a sentence? Circle yes or no. So, I want you to write a sentence. I guess the word means. Go ahead and write a sentence using the word.
I guess the word. And then put immigrate.
Mm-hmm. Now actually use that word in a sentence. So immigrate, show me that you understand the meaning of the word by using it in a sentence. Like not giving me the definition of the word.
I'll write another one. So right here.
Uh-huh. What would you write?
Okay, so use an actual sentence using immigrate.
Mm-hmm. Immigrate from where? All right, go ahead and read it out loud.
My family and I immigrated from Jamaica to America.
Okay, my family and I immigrated from Jamaica to America. All right, now, what does the dictionary say? We went ahead and put it up. And it says immigrate means oh, sorry. Just gonna put it up real quick. To immigrate means to Go ahead and read it.
Immigrate means to leave one's country to live in another. Immigrate is to come into another country, to leave permanently. Migrate is to move like a bird in the winter. The choice between immigrate and immigrant depends on the sentence point of view.
All right, so you have immigrate with the E-M-I-G-R-A-T-E. You have immigrate with I-M-M-I-G-R-A-T-E, and then you have migrate, the root word. All right, so those are the three that we saw. So based on the definition, do you feel like your sentence is correct?
Yes.
All right, cool beans. So this is just one part that we utilize the vocabulary strategy worksheet. She also wrote the words down on the flashcards with the illustration and meanings, and combined them with the words that she's previously been studying so that we can continue with word meaning. Now, the text that we're going to read today is new language. So based on our front loading with the vocabulary words, what can you say, do you think, prediction you can make about the new language?
The different countries, different languages, probably a person probably went somewhere and probably learning a new language.
Okay. Different countries, different languages. Person is going to come to a new place and having to learn the new language. Okay. Here are the comprehension questions that we have. They are, why does Muhammad get a soda? How does Muhammad feel about his meal? How is Louisa important to the story? Why does Muhammad suddenly feel depressed, and what makes him feel better? Okay. So in this text, what we're going to do is that we're going to read it. While we're reading it, though, I'm going to continue with the running record where E. Hall is going to read while I go ahead and make the necessary notations as far as running records is concerned. After 1 minute, I'll stop her. And then what I'm going to do for just time's sake, we're going to continue with the reading. Okay? So, just a moment while I set the timer. And the purpose of this is just for fluency. Okay. So you understand what we're doing. All you're going to do is just read while I go ahead and time you. And then once we're done with that, we're going to continue reading. And I'm going to ask you questions. We're going to review the comprehension questions, all right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead.
The first thing, Muhammad went to a
delicatessen
in his new neighborhood. He realized that he really wasn't in Tunisia anymore. He looked up at the menu board, which had nothing but sandwiches on it, and wondered how he was going to figure out what all these weird names meant. Muhammad decided that he would just be deserted instead, and asked the woman at the corner for ice cream in a cup. She smiled broadly and disappeared behind the big glass display case to fill his order. While Muhammad waited, he looked at the baked goods in the case. There were 16 kinds of bagels and few different types of cookies in that Muhammad didn't recognize. But there were no pastries and definitely nothing from home. Muhammad has been so excited when his parents told him they were immigrating to the United States, but now his bravery and excitement felt a little misplaced.
All right, thank you. All right, so far, I'm going to go ahead and read it again because I'm pretty sure you read it, but not really registered what was being said. It says the first day Muhammad went to a delicatessen in his new neighborhood, he realized that he really wasn't in Tunisia anymore. He looked up at the menu board, which had nothing but sandwiches on it, and wondered how he was going to figure out what all these weird names meant. Muhammad decided that he would just give